Big satellite dishes are a dream for many satellite enthusiasts. You need lots of space to install big dishes. Our antenna comes from Andrew and it has actual 4.5 meter in diameter. We can receive C-band and Ku-band signals. Located in the focus there is a CV feed, on that is a 25 degree Kelvin C-band and a 0.8 dB quadroband LNC assembled. The antenna is two-axle motor-steered. That assures the very accurate adjustment on every reachable satellite. With our antenna we reach the sector from 80 degrees in the east to 45 degrees in the west. The reflector and the steady rack weigh about 1000 kilo and is built on a 18 tons heavy concrete pedestal. For the exact east to west steering is a gearing motor with reed relays in use. The elevation positioning does an actuator. The antenna rotates not very fast. From 80 degrees east to 45 degrees west it needs almost 3 minutes. Also with the elevation adjustment you need quite some time. From 80 degrees east to 16 degrees east it needs about 2 minutes and 25 seconds. Directly from the receiver the antenna won't drive. Would it be connected to a positioner of the receiver, it would be hopeless overloaded. In the electronic chest are two strong transformators in charge for enough power to move the 400 kg heavy reflector. The antenna is positioned with two receivers. The EchoStar DVR7000 is the main device. He receives analog and digital signals and is in charge for the east to west steering, the polarizer steering and the switch between C-band and Ku-bands. The Drake ESR800 XT is only for the elevation steering. Up to 4 receivers could be connected to the antenna. Some questions you might have: for what you need such a big satellite antenna? Quick answer: that bigger, that more you could see, except the satellite programs from North America and Australia. Another question: is there a difference between analog and digital television? There is, of course. In the past we had very noisy pictures. Now we have crystal clear pictures with more than 4,000 or even more digital programs. I'd ask how many programs you could receive with such a big satellite antenna. It's hard to tell. There are several thousand, probably 4 or 5 or even more programs, and most of the satellite receivers could not store even 4,000 programs, so it's really hard to tell how many programs you could receive. I can tell you, you could receive with this antenna about 60 satellite positions. You also may ask if it is difficult to do some tunings on the CB feed or on the polarizer. You see, I'm here inside the antenna, and the antenna itself is in a service position, so you could easily step forward to the center of the antenna and do some tunings on the equipment.